What's the meaning of amphitheater? Amphitheater. 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 Amphitheater.
An amphitheater is an open-air venue used for entertainment and performances, typically oval or circular in shape with surrounding seating. Historically, the ancient Romans were particularly known for building amphitheaters, while modern-day versions can be found in many cities around the world. Amphitheaters have been used for a wide range of events such as gladiatorial contests, battles between humans and wild animals, plays, musical performances, and lectures. They are often designed to maximize acoustic quality and provide unobstructed views for spectators.